Welcome to Madeiras, where medicine makes sense in under 2 minutes. Today, we'll be looking at diabetes explained like a traffic jam. Imagine your body is like a busy city. Every cell is a house, and glucose, also known as sugar, is the fuel trucks delivering energy. But what if the trucks can't get inside? That's diabetes. Insulin is the key that unlocks doors on every house so that those fuel trucks can unload glucose. In diabetes, either the keys are missing or the locks are broken. The fuel trucks get stuck outside, sugar builds up in the streets, which is your bloodstream, and your cells starve. Think about it like a city-wide traffic jam. Too much sugar floating around causes damage, like potholes forming in roads, and the city can't function smoothly. That's why people with diabetes often feel tired, thirsty, or need to pee a lot. If untreated, this traffic jam wrecks the city's infrastructure. The heart, the kidneys, and the eyes. But with the right treatment, you can fix the locks, get the keys working again, and keep the energy flowing. Thank you for listening, and hit subscribe for further videos on explaining medicine in 2 minutes.